Alright, YouTube, what's up? It's the Lucky Ditto. Today we have brand new, or not brand new, it's the Bewear GX box. Yeah. Bewear GX. Beware the big bear hug. Alright. Saw this today. Couldn't resist it. He's just too freaking adorable. Too adorable. Alright, I'm not gonna stall any longer. Let's just, oh wow, alright, that's sealed on there tight. I want to keep the box, so I don't want to ruin it here, because this, come on, this box just looks awesome with all the rainbows and colors and such. Alright, here we go. We have this. Come on. There we go. Lift that up there. Oh, wow, it's stuck in there. Alright. I don't want to damage this. Carefully. There we go. Alright, it just kind of popped out for me. There it is. Here, let me move this. The Bewear GX promo, Sun and Moon 34. Let me just grab a sleeve for this guy. Alright, set him up in my new little background back there. Makeshift, but still works. Alright. We have our 4 packs. 2 Guardians Rising, Steam Siege, and Evolutions. It feels like they've been pushing Steam Siege and Evolutions out for such, like in every new product. It's just everywhere. Trying to get rid of it? Nah, I don't know. Alright, here's the big old jumbo. That will go with the rest of my jumbos in a neat little collection stack thing. And let's just get right into it. Save Guardians Rising for last, as always. Alright. Steam Siege first. Time to struggle with this pack. Yep. I'm struggling. Oh, there we go. Alright. Pack art to the side. Alright, let's see. 1, 2, 3, and 2. Not 4 and 2. Alright. We have... alright. We have Pawniard, Boongus, Rufflet, Litleo, Meryl, Klefki, Captivating Pokepuff, Fluffy, a Hydreigon Break, and a Druddigon Regular Rare. Alright. That is pretty nifty. Hydreigon Break. Alright. Evolutions. Come on. They gotta, alright. That's good. Just pull these out. Alright. We have 1, 2, 3. Oh, there we go. And 2. Alright. We have Growlithe, Nidoran, Vulpix, Sandshrew, Ponyta, Pokedex, Kakuna, Potion, Reverse Hollow Nidorino, and a Full Art Mewtwo EX. Oh my. Oh baby. Oh, I ran out of sleeves. Oh, they're in the... Ooh. Okay. Okay. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. This box is just... oh, I love it. First off, we have that amazing promo right there that will look beautiful in a binder. Hydreigon Break, which is always nice. And a freaking full art Mewtwo? Heck yeah. Alright, and we haven't even gotten to the best packs yet. Save Tapu Chicken for last. Let's Go with a Alolan Ninetales. Goodness sakes. There we go. Wow, this box has been pretty dang good to us. 2 for 2 right now, if breaks count. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2. Wait, did I do that right? 1, 2, 3. Oh, no. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2. Yep. Alright. Oh, my goodness. Oh. Alright, we have Gothita, Litwick, Fletchling, Carvana, Barboach, Dark Energy, Tentacruel, Mallow, Alolan Graveler, Reverse Hollow Mudbray, and a Drampa GX! Wow. 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 Alright. Bewear. You are just, oh my, delivering us the good pulls. Jeez. Wow, I am speechless right now. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to say. Other than, this is the best box I've opened ever. No, it's not. This is the best, one of the best promo boxes. So far, at least. Alright, Machop, Alolan Sandshrew, Murkrow, Helioptile, Machop, Dark Energy, Sliggoo, Bewear. Look at that. That's good. Whimsicott, Bellsprout, and Whiscash, non-holo rare. Wow, though. Like, I don't have anything else to say. Let's just get all of our pulls here. Alright. We have the Bewear GX promo, the Hydreigon Break, Full Art Mewtwo EX, and a freaking Drampa. Like, what? Alright. That was it for this video. I said the 50-pack opening is coming soon. Just hold on. I'm trying my hardest to obtain said 50 packs. I'm getting there. So, maybe a couple more weeks and it should be here. So, yeah. That was all for this video. Goodbye.